Do any of you watching have a door that looks like this? If you do, keep watching. If you don't, keep watching. First order of business is taking the door off the wall. Now that I've got the door off of its hinges and laid out on a table here, I'm going to show you what we're going to use to fix the door. We're going to use a Dremel, wood glue, and these little pieces of wood. They're really thin, and we have lots of those, and cardboard. You're going to need lots of cardboard. So with a board here, we measured a like a square, you know, straight across here to here and then straight down. With the Dremel, we are going to cut it where it is straight and not all wacky like this. Now we have cut both sides here and made it straight. We're going to do a little bit of touch up on the edges because they're a little rough, and we're gonna throw all of this away. So the Dremel was taking too long sanding down this right here where the boards were on before, where they broke off. So we're having to chisel it off kind of with this box knife and other tools. So now I'm going to measure our cardboard pieces. I'm putting them parallel to the cardboard pieces that are already in here, and I'm just marking how tall they need to be and where I need to cut them. Okay, so the next step is gluing down these cardboard pieces. I'm going to glue them down about where the other cardboard pieces were before. They left a little bit of residue, so I'm going to use that as a guide. Okay, so we have allowed it to dry overnight, the glue, and they're pretty firm here. The next step is gluing the cardboard pieces on. We have a lot of these cardboard pieces. They came off of like a bathroom counter piece that we had. We have a lot of them here. A really big piece over there, so that's what we're going to glue over these cardboard pieces. Now we are going to glue this big piece of wood on here now. measure and cut some of the wood pieces because they are not small enough. Now we have it all weighted down with heavy objects. So now we just wait. So it's been a couple of days, and now we're going to take off the weights. We have flipped the door over, and now we are going to Dremel these pieces that are sticking out across here and here. We're going to Dremel those pieces off. So we bought some wood filler, and we're going to fill in these cracks along here. There's even a crack over here in the original, or just in the wood piece. There's also a hole, and so we're going to fill it in all along there. We tried glue, but it would take a lot of layers of glue to eventually seal up the cracks. So this is the route we're going to take. After we let the wood filler dry, we screwed the door back onto the wall, the hinges back onto the wall, and this is what it looks like. I'm now going to paint the door, just this section here that we replaced. I'm using a fabric marker to do the sand. This is a painter's pen. You just shake it and draw with it pretty much. I just punched out a hole in the door. I pressed too hard with the marker. I don't know if that's good or bad. this is the finished product. So I hope that this video gave you more options of how to repair any doors you may have that look like what this one did before.